Hey guys, I just got through with a great big old evaporator coil. This is a call that came in yesterday. They said it was making funny noise outside, and I think it's straight cool. Well, it's 46 degrees right now, but it wasn't yesterday. Stay tuned. Here we go. That thing ain't gonna come down on me.
No, that's the whole tree. That's the whole tree. It broke up there somewhere. It had broke right there.
It broke right there, yeah.
Yeah, and it never came down. It just started growing back. I used to keep it cut all the way up to that part, but then I just stopped when my baby mama broke up. I've been 4 or 5 years ago. It's good and fixed now.
All right. You ought to be able to turn on your heat if you're cold in there. It ain't gonna affect me out here.
Huh?
You ought to be able to turn on your heat if you're cold in there.
Mm-hmm. But it won't do. It was not blowing out any heat. That's the reason.
Wait a minute.
I didn't want to turn it on and leave it on, and
It ain't blowing out no heat.
No.
So the air ain't working in the heat, ain't it?
The air is working, but the heat, it blows out cold air.
Oh,
It's blowing out cold air.
Lovely.
And I wouldn't have never known about it because my aunt was here. I wasn't here. But she said, why do they keep blowing out cold air? This and this. I'm like, it's on the heat because I just had took off. She had just got here. And I'm like, well, I don't know what's going on, but I'll get them to come in here and check on it for you.
Little nut got wedged in there and didn't want to come out.
He been fixing on this thing for us. Waiting for my daughter. 7 years old now.
All right. Let's see if that fan will turn.
Want me to turn it on?
Mm-mm.
And I think that was like the type of noise, and it just kept doing that.
Well, that fan was not working. I think first thing I'm gonna check that capacitor. It's supposed to be a 40 and 5. This is gonna be from a fan. Oh. Oh man, I still got power.
You want me to go to the break off?
No, it's right here. I wonder I didn't get shot.
Yeah, I thought I had told you I haven't gotten to the break off.
All right. It's reading 5. Capacitor's good. Actually, this job is a relief after that last one. Alright, let me just make sure everything's getting voltage. Alright, run. This fan's been replaced before. That goes to Herm. That goes to my fan. And everything's getting voltage. If compressor's running, that fan should be running. I did go in there and replace that filter. Why didn't somebody just run the wires all the way to the terminal? Oh. All right, let's grab our stuff and all right, I pulled this out. Been working on cleaning this up, but that shaft right there has edges on it after being cut. I might have to grind that down. There's no way that hub's coming off of it. I don't feel much that would stop it. Thing's on there. Should have known that wasn't going to work. Whew, that thing's barely turning. Come on. I'm gonna get all these off and bring you back. That was a 1075 quarter horsepower, 5 microfarad. And that's exactly what I've got right here. Y'all forgive me, I'm hurting a little bit. That last job did a number on me. All right, drain holes are plugged on the top. And open on the bottom. See if I can mount you up here okay. I'm gonna have to pull these spade connectors off. Is that the best I can do on that? Apparently so. I liked it better the other way. Alright, let me see. We want this to turn clockwise or counterclockwise, lead in. Yellow, yellow, orange, orange. The system's going to need more than a motor. It might need a cleaning too. Contactor looked a little bit rough, but it had spider webs all over it. I'm going to go back over there and look at it again. A little bit tight. Alright, about to head back over there. Okay. Yeah, we could use a new contactor. Look at this. And that thermostat wire. Coil's probably dirty. It is. Lovely. Come on. Thing's smoking. I'm gonna come along after and wash. Oh God, this is killing my knees. It's not about 47 degrees. Let me see if I can reach there. Can reach there. All right, 4 spade connectors is what I need. I know I've shorted this out, but I'm still gonna make sure I don't have power. Let me see here. Red is run, black is coming. Yellow goes to Herm. Let's just rip this out and start over. Yellow goes to Herm. That's really all we need to know. I'm not sure if I can set y'all up in another way where you can see better. This is just straight cool. There's no defrost board. Come on. Not a good day to be running air conditioning. There, I got another one. But I can make sure this is going to run in the coming days. Probably about Parts of next week we'll be running the air conditioner again. Man, how many screws does it have in it? Y'all forgive me, I got a call. It looks like you might be able to see. I can't tell if you can see or not. There you go, that's better. Alright, you can read 40 and 5 there. This goes to Herm. I did get a 2-pole contactor, but that'll work. There we go. That was a little bit loose. There we go. All right. Short of running a new whip, which is what they need. Y'all forgive me, I've lost my screwdriver. Here it is. Yes, I'm going to quote him a whip. I know I'm not going to get the job. This whole system needs to be changed out. It's probably going to be low on refrigerant too. That air handler up there is from the 70s. I'm just trying to get them through. All right, let me go get my spade connectors and first we're gonna put this one on. This is gonna come in from run. Tighten that up a little bit. Nice and tight. Let me go get some spade connectors and I'll be right back. Oh. All right, now I've lost my needle nose. I don't think I took them with me. Here they are, under the leaves. All right. If you have a condenser fan motor that utilizes white, white is run, black is common. So the brown with the white stripe is the same thing as white, which is your run. You can do away with the one with the white stripe, but if you want to go with 3-wire, but they're the same, it don't hurt to hook those up together. This is my black. I'm putting it right over here on common on the contactor. This is my brown. It's going to go right here. Nice tight connection. Alright guys, well, I did get that coil washed out. I was in a hurry because it's towards the end of the day and I'm hurting, but I did get the coil washed out and pushed in the contactor, made sure it would still come on. And the reason their heat wasn't coming on was because the letters off the thermostat have worn off and they were pushing it the wrong way. That's why the air was on when they're trying to run the heat. But I got them straightened out on that. They got heat for tonight and the air should work. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, how about like and subscribe? And I'll catch you on the next one.